In this video, we'll review how to complete the Incident Personnel Performance and Rating Form, ICS Form 225. There's lots of ways to get better at our job. But if we don't know how we're doing, how can we improve? That's where the ICS Form 225 comes into play. Keep in mind we are going to use the current FEMA ICS Form 225, but you may see older or modified versions in use in the field. That's okay, the basic concepts are the same. The information we enter into this form is for the person we're evaluating, known as the rated individual. In blocks 1 through 3, enter the rated individual's name, the incident name, and the incident number. In block 4, include the rated individual's home unit name and address. Next, in block 5, enter the agency from where the incident was located. In blocks 6 and 7, enter the position held on incident by the rated individual, followed by the dates of assignment. In block 8, indicate the incident complexity level 1 through 5, followed by the incident definition in block 9. This field is for a 1- or 2-word description of the incident, such as hurricane, tornado, earthquake, or terrorist attack, that sort of thing. In block 10, evaluation, use the rubric to rate the individual on each of the 13 rating factors that appear in blocks 11 through 16 on page 1. For each factor, rate the individual's performance on a scale of 1 through 5, where 1 is unacceptable, 3 is met standards, and 5 exceeds expectations. This rubric is a guide to help us evaluate performance, but it's ultimately up to us to use our best judgment in the evaluation. Continue completing the evaluation in blocks 17 to 24 by rating the individual. Use block 24 to include pointed feedback on areas they performed well in or areas for improvement. After completing the evaluation, sit down with the rated individual and go over each item. Provide feedback and lay out a path to help the rated individual understand the next steps in their development. At the end of this discussion, the rated individual will sign block 25 and include the date and time. In block 26, the preparer adds their name, home unit, position held on the incident, date and time of the evaluation and signature. Once the form is completed, turn it into the documentation unit leader or planning section prior to the individual leaving the incident. A copy should be given to the individual. In addition, a copy should be sent by the planning section chief or documentation unit to the individual's home unit, and another kept with the incident documentation as part of the closeout process. This method keeps folks honest. Having these forms helps nobody if they aren't used to actually and honestly improve performance. That's it for the Incident Personnel Performance and Rating, ICS Form 225. Thanks for watching.